This is Paul. I'm staining my dulcimer neck with Bordeaux. It's kind of a reddish stain. It kind of looks like purple wood. But I'm going to stain the whole dulcimer. I did some different samples, different amounts. But as you can see, using the tape, the stain travels, so I can't tape it and expect it to stay in one place. It's not like paint. So I'm just going to stain this all the same color. And then when I have the silver frets are diatonic and the gold ones are chromatic, I'll just add a white acrylic line next to the diatonic ones for ease of reference when playing in a group.